Hello, Oktane, back in San Francisco, our hometown.
I'm so thrilled to be here with you today.
What am I most looking forward to about Oktane 22?
It allows you to meet the people that you're working with, see the product, and see how you can bring that back to your own company.
The most trusted brands in the world trust Okta.
You come here to hear from other people who are like you and not like you.
Identity is our sole focus.
It is really nice to share your learnings and be with other professionals in the industry.
You need to have an identity-first approach to your security practice.
Hearing from the industry experts, hearing from the market leaders about how we should be thinking of identity.
A platform where you can learn information, you can ask questions.
This is a great place not only to know more about the solution itself, but also different ways it's being leveraged.
It was great to be here with so many people that care passionately about identity.
Okta's really fun. They're a really great partner, and it's cool to mingle with your colleagues in the industry.
It's a great place to be.
Definitely go. You'll definitely take something away.